Hi, I'm Marie Engstrom, Light Tower Product Manager at Terex. I'm here today to talk to you about our redesigned Terex RL4 Light Tower. We've made some significant changes that will provide our customers with additional value and return on their investment. The RL4 is an extremely versatile piece of equipment. It's commonly used in oil and gas projects, highway and DOT work, as well as community and sporting events. The new RL4 has 6,000 watts of power and 4 1,000 watt metal halide lamps. It has a maximum mast height of 23 feet. Those are the basics of the RL4, but I'd like to talk to you about what's new. If you're familiar with the RL4, the first thing you'll notice that's different is that it now has a vertical mast. This means setup time is greatly reduced. Having the mast stowed on top of the unit instead of hanging over the end also reduces the potential that the lights will get damaged in transport, but the biggest benefit may be the smaller footprint. The smaller footprint with the new RL4 means you will be able to get more on a truck. With the previous RL4, you could get 10 on a truck. With this new version, you'll be able to get 17, providing significant economic benefits. We're able to get all of these units on the truck by being able to load them across the truck instead of down the length of the truck. We've accomplished this by designing the front section with a tongue that folds up. For international customers who require export racking, we can fit 16 RL4s in a standard container. As you can see, there's a step on the tongue that allows the operator to easily access the lights and to adjust them. The mast rotates a full 360 degrees non-continuous. The new mast also incorporates an internal mast brake. So although it's not likely to happen, if there is a cable failure, the mast will stop in place and not come all the way down. The new cover on the RL4 is high-density polyethylene. After testing in the harshest environments, we found that this is a much more durable cover, eliminating corrosion or dents, and it will look better longer. The covers open up to enable much easier service access to the control box, the engine, as well as the fuel tank. And there's also a tab that makes it easy to add a lock for added security. Now that we've opened this up, let's take a look at the engine. This is another new feature. We're really excited to have the Kohler KDW 1003 3-cylinder diesel liquid-cooled engine in the RL4. This is a proven workhorse in the industry, and now it's part of the Terex solution. It's so reliable that Kohler gives it a 3-year parts and labor warranty. Even if you're familiar with this engine, you may be surprised at the performance. Kohler has worked to make it quieter and run with less vibration. Combine the Terex service teams with over 2,000 Kohler parts and service locations, and you'll never be far from the support you need. And with this new Kohler engine, you get longer service intervals. We've partnered with Kohler to increase the size of the oil pan, so this unit delivers about 500 hours between oil changes, which saves our customers money on service. We've paired this power plant with a Coliseum generator to deliver 6 kilowatts of power. The fuel tank redesign is a significant improvement. Previously, we had a 30-gallon fuel tank. The new RL4 comes with a 45-gallon tank. This means significant longer run times and saving on the hassle and time of having to refuel the unit, sometimes in remote locations. This larger tank delivers an impressive approximate run time of 90 hours, up from 60 hours. As you can see after closing the cover, that we have a second door which accesses the control panel. This means that you can access the controls by simply opening up the smaller cover. We've also made sure that the auxiliary outlets are external, so when you need to access the controls, you won't have to deal with routing or snagging extension cords. The RL4 comes with a range of standard features. The engine comes with high temperature and low oil automatic shutdowns. The unit is DOT approved with run, stop, and turn lights. It also comes telematics ready. This means that there's a connector that users can connect the device of their choosing to monitor location and run times. We've kept the options of the previous unit. These add value to our users by enabling them to customize the light tower to meet their specific needs. New options include an electric winch. We also offer the RL4 with a 13.6 horsepower Kubota diesel engine. Another option on the redesigned RL4 is positive air shutoff, which provides added security when required on the job site. A new option we're offering is Auto Start, which is currently available on the Terex AL5 HT. This option includes a photo cell and timer. This lets you set up a unit and then either set the timer for a specific time or utilize the photocell to turn on the unit at dusk. This saves significant time and money for a crew, particularly if you're running a lot of units. This really ties in well with the telematics module, as it lets you monitor things like run times without having to go out to the units. We also offer a light option. The standard is a square 1000 watt metal halide lamp, but we also offer a 16-inch round metal halide lamp at no additional cost. As we do on all of our light towers, we have multiple hitch options available to suit your specific needs. And if you want to match some of your other equipment, we also offer the RL4 in a genie color configuration at no additional charge. That should give you a good introduction to the RL4 light tower. The key things to remember are the convenient vertical mast, the ability to ship 17 on a truck, and then significantly longer runtime. For more information, please contact your local Genie or Terex representative or visit our website. Thanks for your time.